Drop it.
What's up, team?
What's up, fuckers? How we doing? Dude.
STV was telling me all about you guys printing.
We've given them the cheat code. I'm up another 25, 26% on another traffic light trade. And the thing is I was in the one that just was like the most beautiful traffic light to the downside, but I got stopped out in profit and then it proceeded to knife $1. The one that I'm in now is already like, I'm already up again.
It's wild.
And I'm scaled out. It's free.
It's wild. It's wild. Also, we got to give a shout out to Applejacks. He's here. He's lurking. And he's just been doing a really, really fucking stellar job with the shorts. So, hey, kid, man, thanks for all that, man. You're really, really appreciate it.
Yeah, dude, those are sweet. I love them.
Oh, man, they're great. They're great. Which means Applejacks, I'm going to have to go ahead and buy a 4K streaming switcher, which is going to cost me about $5,000 because I want the reels to be extra sharp. So thank you for costing me money.
I was asking him that yesterday too. I was like, we got to figure out how to make the stream like because the quality comes good on YouTube. It's when you crop it, I think it gets a little janky. Yeah. But they still look really good. They're still awesome, dude. The TikTok one that I had is like one of my highest viewed TikToks. It's number one from Applejacks.
I swear, Applejacks and my brother are single-handedly the most responsible men for all of my bad decision-making. One time, Applejacks is sitting right next to me. I'm on a computer. I'm like, dude, that's a $12,000 camera. Should I get it? He's like, full send. I'm like, okay, I'm doing it. Yay. Okay.
Dude, yes. Applejacks and your brother are terrible influences on you. Usually, I feel like I come in and I'm like, should we do this? And then you're the one that's like, fuck it.
Yes.
Oh, Applejacks is working on a video for me right now. Ooh, I can't wait, dude. I love those. I still have to throw the other one on YouTube. I gotta do that.
Oh, exciting. All right, how many of you guys have broke the 1% threshold today? Let me get some thumbs up here. We got 116 viewers on the stream right now. Welcome to church.
What's up, team?
All right, thumbs up if you broke your 1% today. You made your money. Come on, let's see him. Moonbound, yes. Mr. J, yes. Trade to Trends, yes. Pepe, yes. Nunya, me, Lofty, yes. Nate, yes. Nunya, yes. Life Wisdom, yes. So we float, yes. H Diamonds, yes. Justin, yes. Keanu, yes. Alec, Will Flow, Mark N, 500 cash account test with Rita. Playing traffic lights is up 1% today. Dope. Not just
there we go.
Home. 13% on the port. J Styles killing it. John says this guy. Chris Mueller. Thumbs up. Dr. M, thumbs up. 9.83%. I legit made my year in percent. Ha ha ha. What? 19.92. Wow.
Dude, that's awesome.
That is awesome. Oh, man. Nope. Still kicking myself in the butt for not jumping on that spylight at open. Kenny.
There were two other filthy ones, Kenny, that you could have taken. I mean, the one that I'm in right now, that's really good. The one to the downside was really good, too, on the 1 minute. It's all risk reward. Again, size down those 1 minutes. They will be pretty filthy, man. I mean, again, I hit 75%. Was the screenshot I showed you guys. I think my stop was set at 50.
Yeah. That's pretty wild.
Come on now.
Daniel, 7.45%. Morrow, paper and pen. Yeah, we got, let's see, the one to call. Thumbs up. Doctor said those bumps are gone. Eddie, kiss my ass. I got razor bumps on my ass, buddy. You want to kiss those? No, I don't.
Why are you shaving your ass?
I don't shave my ass. Jesus Christ. We come from a Discord trading monies. There you go. Daily Chandler, what's going on, Dupont? Diana did it. No, she didn't.
Diana, you're not going anywhere near my nuts.
Oh, whatever.
27.5% on this SPY trade here. Thank you. Dude, 1 minute traffic lights. I mean, again, I said it before. I'll say it again. I feel terrible for anybody that that isn't using the traffic lights, I tweeted this out. I was like, don't look at where the traffic light alerted you on the SPY move down. It'll just make you feel bad. Like, seriously, it really did. Gabe, if you pull SPY up on the 1 minute here, there's actually a really good lesson here that I want to go over with everybody, because somebody replied to that tweet and he was like, I followed the rules and got stopped out 2 1 minute candles later. Are you congratulating those who didn't have risk management? Now, if you look at this chart here on the 1 minute on the SPY, and you look, if you zoom in on the traffic light to the downside where it comes off of the day high at 416.97, you see that it has two giant red 1 minute candles. So the 416.97.
Oh, I love this trade.
So look at this right here. So you see those two big candles. We went over an example of this in the morning as well on a SPY move to the upside, that if you chased, it would have worked. But here is what we say all the time. If you chase, it's never going to work for you every single time. So what happened is I saw that. I said, okay, cool. We got a nice retest. That's where I entered. And I'm playing traffic light to traffic light. So I'm risking another traffic light going to the upside. I see it ride down. I scaled out. I set my stop a little bit too close, so I didn't get to hit that giant dollar 1 minute red candle. But I don't really care all that much because I had already made my money. But that is why you don't chase. It worked this morning, and you would have gotten stopped out on this one. You cannot be chasing. It is not a consistent way to be managing these trades.
Yes. A couple of things I see here. Again, going back to the rules here, right? So yeah, you got a break up to 13, a break up to 48. You do have a level here. Now, when I see a break up to 48, I'm waiting for a retest, right? And this is what happened. It came down, boom, boom, and then okay, now you got a retest of a 13. Now the game begins, right? Ideally, you're not just entering on a traffic light. If you feel like, okay, yeah, traffic light is telling me change momentum, you want to wait, especially on a 1 minute, a couple of candles here to get the best deal on that option.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's what we're doing here. Okay. So, also, I mean, this is a quick scalp, not bad. I probably would not be trading on that. At this time, anyways, we were looking at already at 11. Um, we're this one here. Oh, 11:30. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
So
guys,
I played most of them today.
I'm
So I
sure you
played
did.
the morning one up. I actually made money on the move down that doesn't look like it would have worked, but since I was using the stop loss strategy, it worked really well. The second 1 minute traffic light of the day was pretty. I mean, I scalped it super quick. And then I think I might have hit the next one too, but I mean, I've just been scalping SPY all day long. It's been super simple. So
Yes.
I actually made money on that one, which doesn't make any sense, but I did. I was super tight with the scale out and the stop.
Well, there's money to be made here, even from 413.21. Okay, this traffic light here, just middle of that candle is 413. It
Hmm.
comes down to 402.43. Now, here's the deal. Again, we don't chase into the traffic light. We wait for the best possible retracement. So
Hmm.
here you have that 13. You got your entry there, and it brings you right back down here. You see? So with that, I mean, it's all about just saying, okay, I'm not going to chase the candle's too far away from the traffic light. In this situation, the candle is right on top of the traffic light,
Hmm.
right on top. So that would be ideal for me. And you can see it pulls away until it comes right back onto the 13 from this area here. You have another situation, traffic light. This would have paid. You're probably playing it to the 48. That would have been, your expectation, right? Your risk would have been the 13 here. Guys, you want to go ahead and just really pre-plan that play before you go ahead and enter, identify your risk, and just really have some faith on these, right? Because worst case scenario, you get a situation like this where you get a traffic light where you think it's coming down, and then you get another traffic light. 9 times out of 10, that next traffic light is going to send you up. It's gonna correct the move, right? It's going to put you back into the proper trend. Okay. So here from this traffic light to this traffic light, let me show you guys a great example. In this situation, you get a traffic light. If you were waiting for a retracement because you're like, okay, it needs to retest to 13, you would have jumped in on this traffic light here because the candle went right on the 13 and you would have nailed the direction. That's essentially how I play. I see the traffic light. I see it a little too far away. I wait for the retracement back to the 13. It does it here.
Hmm.
We could find
Simple.
so many examples of where this happens. Let's see. We could go yesterday and see that happen yesterday. Pretty much all day yesterday, right? So here you have the traffic light, and then you get price action comes right back up to the 48 to 13 here, and then you get a continuance and you make some money there,
Yep.
right? You see it here, traffic light here. You see the price action come back up to the 13 before you get your continuance. Now, if you get it on the top of this candle here, you're actually maximizing your earning potential, right? Otherwise, you're chasing it. You're chasing it on this candle, where your
Hmm.
entry would be better here, right? Let's go ahead and find another example. This one here, too far away, comes right back to the 48.13 goes. Let's go ahead and find another example, right? Traffic light here, it's too far away to chase. It comes back to the 13. You get your best fill here, and then it goes. Let's see what else. You could see this time and time again. Traffic light here, right? You get a little bit, not too much, but it's there. That second candle gave you a decent entry. There's so many ways to play this, guys, and as long as you keep your risk tight and understand what you're looking at, you're going to make bank. This traffic light here, too far away. You see the retracement come back, it runs. So these are
Hmm.
the things that you are looking for. This is another great example. Traffic light to the upside, right? You're waiting for a little bit of retracement, which you got here. The second traffic light is the intended direction, right? So it's almost like you can always wait for the second candle to print after the traffic light to get an idea of really what's happening and
Hmm.
get the best fills. Okay. This situation, traffic light here, you wait for this entry, get on the top of this wick, bring it back down to the 200. This is. I hope I'm making sense here for those who sitting in the back there. I really, really hope I'm making sense. You don't have to chase into a traffic light,
Yeah,
right?
my day trades today were made up like a 2% gain in my portfolio. I did try to play Apple earnings, so I'm not up 2%. So I am in the green. I think by like, wow, oh, that's not bad. But again, the traffic lights are filthy.
Yeah, yeah.
Like they're disgusting. I just look at them and I'm like, okay, good risk here, sling it. Good risk, sling it. Every single time.
That's it. Someone's playing on a 30-second. My God, I do not have the heart health to be able to do it on 30
Dude, I
second.
would literally size all of them for
Oh
zero.
my God. Wow. STV, you going to the playground this weekend? It's Friday.
Probably not. I'm gonna be very, very relaxed this weekend. I'm gonna take a weekend off, just kind of relax a little bit.
What about Tammy?
Who?
Oh, jeez. Yeah. Jesus Christ, my bad. I mean, yeah. You ever dated a Latina though? Be honest.
Dated or I mean, not dated,
Oh, well.
but yes, quite a few.
Well, dating a Latina is a lot like eating an edible. They're cool at first until they hit you.
That's why I don't do it.
Uh, you know what? It's whatever my barber was like, hey, you got some grays, you want to fill it in, and then like he just did his thing, and I didn't notice anything until like he left, and then my beard just got really dark. I'm like,
I like it.
it was like, holy fucking Sharpie, what you do to me? Anyways, let's see.
Oh, should we tell them about the lifetime stuff?
Yes, yes, yes. That's where I wanted to lead into before we go ahead and look at some tickers. Listen, guys, a lot of you are just stressing the hell out of Diana. You're catching her at 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night, like, I'm on lifetimes. And it's like,
You
can we
can't do
just
that.
respect her time and her life as well? Right? You got until 4 o'clock to secure your lifetime today. She is clocking out at 4.
Hmm.
And yeah, I want that for her. She absolutely deserves that. Okay, like we're all committed to this community many hours a day. Just letting you guys know that stress is very real, and being burnt out is also very real. So, please let's just respect her time, her life. She does have children. She does have family.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do that. Secure your lifetime by 4 p.m. Eastern. Go ahead and reach out to Diana. Get it done now.
You can't be asking Diana at like 8, 9, 10 p.m. on a Friday, guys.
Yeah. She
If
could
you
be on.
do, if you do, you're gonna get a sandal thrown at you, or you just have to go in and cancel your membership, buy lifetime, and then get it. Don't be asking Diana.
Yes, yes. Hearts in the chat for Diana. I mean, my God, she could be in the middle of a date. You know what I mean? And the thing is, she'll put the Discord first, so she could be in the middle of like doing her thing, and then she'll tell the dude like, "Please stop. I gotta get to work." Maybe not. I hope not. But anyways, moving along. Let's get some tickers in here.
Let's do it. We could do some call-ins today too. I like those.
Yeah, we do call-ins every day. Yes, sir. But not right now. She is the greatest. Absolutely. So let's see. You guys want to throw some tickers out there for us to look at? I'm on the 5 minute. Let's go ahead and see what Invictus is alerting. Well, we got to play the reversed. Invictus is really, really struggling in these volatile markets, and so
In the
that's why.
chop, yeah.
Yeah, so that's why you guys should be ever more grateful for, your secondary strategy, which is the traffic lights, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you guys need to understand that you guys are effectively becoming the Batmans of the stock market, right? You have different tools in your utility belt. I'm working
Mm-hmm.
on the third tool for you guys, or trading strategy for you guys, along with you guys now have 1348. You have the traffic lights. You've got a third one coming, right? So yeah, look at that. 3 minute crosses. Let's see what's happening here. We got alerted down Google. Let's see.
Yeah, and then Mike's asking about the 1 minute traffic light for SPY. It's literally the same thing. You're waiting for that retest, which you already got at like 416. Now it's dropping, coming down to the 200. That's a scale out right there.
Yes. Yes. Looking at this on Google, guys, I mean, this was a decent play. And traffic light, again, the candle happened right on the light, right? So you're not too far away. But you also understood that, the 48 here is what you were playing to, right? At least that was the initial expectation, right? 106.83 all the way down to 106.59. Maybe, it's still developing though. But let's look at the 1 minute, see where Google got you in on the 1 minute, right? So we got a potential 1 minute cross to the upside after it got you in at 107, brought you down to 106.20. 107.60. Oh, that's a mean candle. That's a mean move for Google. That's a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Let's see. Um,
M Dog, are you really coming in here and saying that you're taking somebody else's trade? Like you're following somebody else's trades? What? That's the worst thing in the market to do. What are you doing?
what are you doing, M Dog? Really?
Dude, that's like the worst. You're never going to get rich that way. That creates terrible habits. Guys, you should never, ever, ever be following somebody else's trades. That's a terrible thing to do.
All right. Well, first off, you're not giving us anything to work with here. We don't know your timestamps. We don't know your entries. We just know that you
What are
weren't
you
given the
doing,
best
bro?
entry. You certainly weren't. And that's crazy, right? Because, okay, hold on 1 second. 1 second. Lord has been killing it. I can
Who is
outtrade Lord.
Lord? It doesn't matter. You're not learning anything.
Who the fuck is Lord, anyways?
Dude, I don't know. If you're talking about taking trades from fucking Jesus Christ, I still would literally, Jesus Christ himself could come down and tell me to take a trade, and I will say no. It's guys. If you're following other people's trades, you're one, probably being used as exit liquidity. Two, you are always late and you're not learning anything. It's
All right.
terrible. It's a terrible habit to get into. Do not do that.
All right. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to go back to your Lord, right? And call him a demigod. And tell him to come onto the stream so I can rip him a new one. That's it. That'll be fun. I'm dying to trade with somebody. It's boring trading for myself. I had to give myself a freaking I had to give myself fucking ankles. That's my motivation. STV's fucking ankles. You kidding me?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I have to play games with myself. I don't want to play with myself. And
No.
well, it depends. But
And then
still,
you're dependent on somebody else for your trades. It's like, what the fuck? That would literally give you the biggest stomach ache of all time. Or you could come to the platform, you could use the traffic lights, absolutely murder it all of the time, and do it for yourself. Don't trust me, guys. You're gonna get led to the slaughter. It's a very bad thing to do. You're never gonna get rich following somebody else's trades. It forms
yeah.
terrible habits. You're always
Hold
late, and
on,
you're
hold on,
most
hold on,
likely
hold
being
on.
used as
You know
exit
what? You know
liquidity.
what? You know what? I think this dude's just coming in for cap, right? Because he's more concerned with who Lord is as opposed to his timestamp of when he entered and why he
Yeah.
entered. So, I mean, if you want to give us that timestamp, why you entered, blah blah blah, instead of going ahead and just jumping in the comments to give somebody fucking free press.
Who cares, bro? Nobody cares. You're doing the wrong thing. We have well again, here's the other thing too. Does anybody else have an interview on their channel with one of their members turning 8 grand into 1 million? No. It's not by following somebody else's trades, guys. You got to do it for yourself. You have to learn. You have to look at the markets and operate in a different way than everybody else does in order to have success.
All right, you go ahead and you tell Lord that I would love to do let's do a trade off. Like I want to do it with. I want to expose these punks. They're not that good. They look good to you,
Mm-hmm.
but they're not really that good.
No.
No, trust me. Anyways, AMD got your traffic light. Let me show you. Traffic light. Death. Nice.
Mm-hmm. Our traffic, dude. This 1 minute traffic light. Oh my god, look at that, dude. Oh my god.
Filth.
What's the traffic light indicator acronym on the Weeble chart? There isn't one. We built it ourselves. The only way to get it is on the Trade 1348 platform.
Filth. 88. Oh, that's filth. Can you see Top Trading Edge on YouTube?
Faust, we do this every day. We don't give a fuck about these other follow trading idiots, bro. They're not good. It doesn't matter. You could say it's fucking the person who literally runs the stock market. No, every single time, follow trading is not the way to go. It never will be. It never has been.
Yeah. Guys. Oh man, Chris Sane would join the Discord if he saw Gabe's trade. If he saw Gabe trade, did Chris Sane actually say that?
I don't know. Here's the deal. The reason why our members have such different results is because one, we provide you guys the best of everything. You get real-time unusual options activity, the proprietary trading algorithms that fucking kill it. We have the Ritas that we can do something with you guys with in the future. And then all the alerts. You just got the traffic lights. Guys, they're fucking nasty. You guys saw the 75% gain on that one today with the stop loss strategy. I mean, is that the norm? No. You shouldn't be aiming for stuff like that, but sometimes it happens. You probably just had 2 more on the SPY just now.
There you go. Let's see. This is filthy, guys. So where was AMD going? It was going down to this level. It was already printed for you guys. So that was your first level. Now that's the level you defend, and now we got a continuance down to the 200 possibly. On the 5 minute, you're watching this in real time. Traffic lights leading the way to victory. We go to the 1 minute. Holy fuck! Remember
Oh,
that
you don't even want to
strategy,
know.
dude.
It's all
Dude, look at. So you got a traffic light here on the 1 minute, right? It's
yeah.
saying like, hey, we're going up. You wait for the next candle for the retracement, and lo and behold, we got the second traffic light that corrects you, right? Like, bro, no, we're actually going down. You gotta love that feature about this, right? That the traffic lights are self-correcting to a certain degree. You just have to allow yourself the patience and understand the rules of this game, where you got a candle a little further away, you have a level, wait for the next candle. Traffic light says, "Not so fast. Let's go. Let's keep moving." And then it leads you into this put. This is your traditional 1348 cross. So the traffic light is complementary to the actual crosses. Now you come down to a level. For those who do not believe in levels, these levels are drawn for you automatically. If you choose to disrespect those levels, then you choose to fuck around and find out, and that is all on you, bruh. Like, that's
simple.
it.
Simple.
Simple stuff. Very simple stuff.
We also have a bunch of you slackers in here too. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way and you're slacking. New lifetime member. Woo! There you go, Gregory. Where's the traffic light video? We have 2 of them. One of them is on my channel. One of them's on Gabe's channel.
There you go. Yeah. Well, hey, listen, man. If M Dog, if you took that run, congratulations. But yeah, you had a traffic light that warned you already. It warned you on the 5 minute. This was your first warning. This is essentially your second. You go to the 1 minute. You were warned right here. Right? It's going up. No, it's going down. No, it's going up. No, it's going down. You see how that happens in sequence? Like the traffic lights are self-correcting. But you guys didn't realize that before. But they're self-correcting.
The risk is super tight. It's literally like Gabe and I were talking about this. It's like it's probably like a 1 to 5 risk reward every time we do it.
Yes. Yes.
How do I switch to the monthly payment plan for lifetime? It's not out yet. That's going to be out next week. So that's why we extended the 50% off lifetime to today at basically 4 p.m. So we'll send out an announcement to you guys when the payment plan for lifetime's ready. You guys make it easy. We do. We make it super simple for everybody.
It doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need a spitting top. Like, are you fucking? Oh God.
Chart patterns, fucking Bollinger Bit. Get that shit out of here. We're gonna continue printing with our traffic lights, our proprietary algorithms, and everybody else can start circle jerking each other on Twitter still. Have fun. Go lose money. 3.25% of your account for the day. Every day this week has been over 2% because of the traffic lights. Genius, guys. Lunar. Monster, dude.
Yeah. So for all those guys out there, those master TA guys, I got something for you. That is the big fuck you pattern right there. Nice big fat middle finger. Come on.
I like that.
That's the big fat fuck you traffic pattern, right? Like traffic pattern is, yeah, whatever. Jesus Christ, whatever the fuck you want to call this thing is, just whatever. I'm done. Lord. Let's see.
No. Andrew, you don't sign up for lifetime but not pay it. It's not ready for you guys. The payment plan's not ready. If you want to go into the 50% off discount, the one-time fee, that expires basically today at 4 p.m. because Diana's not going to be able to help you guys. If you can figure out how to do it after 4 p.m., cool. But you're cutting it close.
Hold on. Let me see here.
Yeah, that spy move down was filthy.
Hold on. I want to look at this. 1 second. You kidding me, right?
What'd you do?
Hey, yeah, I don't believe. No. Okay, okay. Look, no, we're not gonna hire this guy. One, he has no reach. It's 3,500 subs.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah.
Plus, we don't like other people most of the time because everybody that we've met has been a fucking loser snake. So, Gabe and I.
Yeah.
You can be an affiliate, that's cool, but no, probably nobody else.
Let's see. See, this is where things get overcomplicated now.
Oh yeah, no. Oh no.
No. This is way too complicated, right? This is like you're here. How do you make an actionable decision when you're over analyzing a chart? Look at we got some clouds here, some smoke. We got look at this. We got a half a smiley face emoji. We got a princess crown up top. We got what the fuck is this? Okay, it's a cup and handle, right? Cool. What does that mean for the present moment in time? It means absolutely nothing, right? Like what is this? If this is how you trade, you're doing it wrong.
98% of retail investors fail. You know why? Because they all learn the same shit. They all learn the same thing. Chart patterns, normal TA. We flip that whole shit on its head. That's why we've just made a bunch of people who've never been able to trade before or just never knew successful, consistent, profitable traders.
Yeah.
How do you expect to have different results if you trade like everybody else? Seriously.
See? Yeah. Well, see, here's the thing. None of them can actually show that their trading methods are actionable in real time to actually help you print. We are the only two streamers that can do that in real time. Give you something actionable. Like, yeah, like this 1 minute on AMD. Oh, shit. That's actionable. Make some money.
You guys want to come see it for yourself? We give you guys 2 weeks for free.
That's it. Again, 2 weeks for free. The pressure's on me. The pressure's on STV. What do you got to lose? You got nothing
I'll just
to
keep
lose.
sitting here showing you guys the gains on the traffic lights. Every day we're doing it. Every day. I'll keep showing you.
We keep doing it. We keep showing you. You guys keep asking for more proof. That doesn't make any sense. We've been doing this for over a year.
We've made 2 millionaires. 2.
Jeez Louise. Let's get to the charts and print more. Give me some tickers then. Come on, damn
Let's
it.
do it. Tickers or call-ins?
978-545-1348.
28K in 30 days trading futures with 1348. Ryan the Lion, you monster.
Oh man, that's funny. Who? Jesus Christ. Who mentioned TMI? Whatever. TMI's like Sue Bird. He can throw a layup, but we out here dunking on motherfuckers for real. Like
It's like the WNBA versus the fucking
yeah,
NBA.
Sue Bird, WNBA. It's just a different league. I mean, remember that meme where I was like, oh my god, he has a uncanny resemblance to Rihanna.
Hey Gabe, can I have 150K and then also evade taxes? Let's see. All right, guys. Oh, dude, this 1 minute traffic light on the spy just keeps getting better and better. Look at that thing. Look at that thing go.
Oh, baby. I love it. Oh, man. You know, if you wanted to print today on the spy, you just have to be conscious of 2 trades. 1, 2. It's like, that's it. You would have been done for the day.
You would literally have made like 5% on your account.
Let's go ahead and measure this out. Traffic light here. Let's do it. Traffic light here to even the next traffic light. So even from traffic light to traffic light, you still would have been up 0.07%. Okay, not great. But if you played it to a level at 416.54, you would have been up a whole $1. Nice.
That's what I did.
Nice. Now let's play the way down. $1 move on a spy. How much is that worth, do you think?
A lot. Depends on the expiration, but that's usually like 30, 40%. 30,
40%?
Yeah, well, it depends on the expiration.
120% are here because this traffic light is a $3 move and it just keeps going.
Jesus.
That was a $3 move.
It's still going.
It's a $3.50 move.
That's, oh my God, dude, that is so filthy.
Let's see. Boom, 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 boom.
Dude, you guys have no idea the power that you hold in your hands with these traffic lights. You either want to get up off your ass and use them or you don't. Simple as that.
It's right there. Right there. That's wild. Wild, wild, wild.
Let's see. Dude, this is nuts. It's like, I don't think I've ever had more confidence taking trades. Ever. Here comes the Pista! I'm going to drive like such an asshole with that car.
Dude, I'm telling you, for the price of a Pista, you could go ahead and buy two Dodge Dualies, right? Diesel engine. You could
Oh, we're
like,
not doing this now. We can no. Don't tell them.
well, I mean, I'm sure we got some haulers out there, some aspiring haulers. How many
Yeah, but
people?
don't tell them about it. This is our
What?
secret thing.
It's not a secret thing. It's logistics.
I want a pizza.
Okay, I got a question. How many people here in this stream have CDLs?
Oh, we could put you to work.
Anybody here got CDLs and some experience? Ooh, Joey Lucid does. Andre does. Wreck-It Ralph does. My uncle does. Justin does. We got some truckers in here, man.
Ooh, this could be fun.
John, 24 years. I got a CDL in Orlando. Juan, whoa. This is nice.
That could be interesting. Is it true about truckers and rest stops? Andy, what is what true about truckers and rest stops?
Is it true about truckers and rest stops?
Is that where all the hookers hang out? Are they hooking?
Yeah, review Dark Trade the Trend says he has one too.
Oh, sick. Dude, I would love to work with Trade the Trends. I love that guy.
Let's see. Okay.
Lot lizards? That they have a name for them?
Yeah.
They have their own nickname for rest stop hookers?
Yeah. Dude, there's levels to this. Right? You got
Bro,
OBT
I
hookers.
did not know about this.
So you got OBT hookers, then you got lot lizards, and then you got the prayers, the one that are constantly on their knees. And then you get to the
This
coke
is
and
news
hookers.
to
Coke
me.
and hookers is high society. Like
I know that, but like this is news to me. Jesus. Well, hey guys, it's fuck around and find out Friday. I guess I fucked around and found out about some lot lizards.
yeah, man, you get a blowy for a Sitco gas card.
Bro, I've got to go to more rest stops. I'm just kidding. This is funny. Spy moving back up a little.
Oh, we have a diesel mechanic. That's too big.
That would help. That would help. I think we could do this. We're going to create more jobs.
Let's do it. Okay, cool. All right, let's look at Tesla. Whoa. Let's see. Not hot dog. All right. Let's see. If you're playing the recent traffic light on the Spy, and it doesn't give you the light until close of that candle on the 200, would you recommend playing the retest at the 200? That's a good question. Let me cover Tesla really quick. Tesla is simply dying. There's really nothing to look at here with Tesla. It literally came down. Again, you guys need to respect your levels. You see that 200 traffic light? 200 RSI bounce, right? That was your guiding moment with the RSI bounce. So traffic light, 200 area, RSI bounce. Do we have a continuance? Very, very possible. For me, I'm playing the sure thing. That's where I make my money. I like to almost guarantee my money. I don't like to speculate my money. You know what I mean? Like, I'm the kind of guy, right? Even when I sell cars, even when I sell cars, when I go ahead and I move from one auction house to another, so let's say ACV to Mannheim, if in that move, I get an express. Someone says, okay, I'll give you 500 more than what you paid for it. It's like, take it. I'm not gonna fuck around and find out. Like, yeah, am I leaving more on the table? Maybe the third or fourth guy probably really, just paid up maybe $1,000 more. Cool. But I'm here for those quick hits and guaranteed moments, right? You get an individual calling me, I got a guaranteed 500, I'm taking it. I look at the chart here, I see guaranteed profit approaching the 200, I'm taking it, right? Let's see. Tesla puts, you're gonna get it. There you go. You got your potential flash here of a put signal on Tesla. Okay. You want to wait for that candle close on the 5 minute. Alternatively, you can watch it on the 1 minute. The 1 minute gave you. Look at this STV.
On Tessie. Oh my God. What dollar amount move is that?
Let's measure it.
197 to what?
It's on the low to that wick. That was a 3% move. That was a $5.84 move.
Guys, I don't know how else to show you at this point. It's like you either want to get up off your ass and make money or you don't. These traffic lights are filthy. The risk is so tight, and make sure you're not chasing too far away from these EMAs. Don't do that. You're going to get yourself into trouble. This trade is filthy. Do you have to have a $25,000 in account to day trade? No, that's if you have a margin account, but with a cash account, you can make as many day trades as you want as long as you settle a trade with settled cash.
Exactly. Algo's up 20% today. What are you all waiting for?
Hey, you all get 2 weeks for free. It's free, dude. You could literally come in, depending on your account size, make thousands of dollars for free. As long as you're able to follow instructions, I think you guys are going to have some success.
5.98% for the day. I'll take it. You guys are just at a different level right now. Oh my God. All right, trade1348.com. Link pinned to the top of the comments. Guys, go ahead and get you some. It's 2 weeks free. You could be like these guys. And let me tell you, I'm not the smartest guy in the room. These guys, for sure, are just hardworking men, women, providing for their families. There's nothing special about what we do. Our charts don't look like something out of a Nintendo. And we just print, right? We keep it simple, stupid. We show you how to print, what you need to print, and you simply do that. Now, Rose Q has been on a tear.
Rose has been on a tear.
Port is up 5.78% today. Done for the day. Thank you, guys. Wow.
Good shit, team.
Netflix. Let's go ahead and check this out. Netflix on the 5 minute gave you some opportunity here. Let's go ahead and look at the chart. You have opportunity with the traffic light guiding you. You came down below the 48. This is where I go ahead and take my profit and end my conversation with Netflix, right? It's I don't need to sit here and wait for Netflix to come all the way back down here. What I do is I take my profit and then I go to the next trade. What's Tesla doing? Next trade, right? I mobilize my money. Now we got a put signal. How much lower can Tesla go? I'll take that profit. Next play. I'll go ahead and check out AMC. How much lower can it go? By the way, AMC. That was funny. To the moon. Not really.
Dude, that RSI is getting cooked on the longer time frames. Be careful, everybody.
Oh, there you go. Let's look at on the 4 hour here. You're cooked here on the 4 hour for AMC, right? And so we're not saying this to discourage you from getting into AMC. I have a love-hate relationship with AMC, more hate than love. But what I'm showing you guys here is how AMC is an absolute tradable stock, even on the 4 hour traffic lights. If you guys don't want to listen to me, listen to the traffic lights on AMC, right? You're sitting there hoping to fucking hit 1,000, but look what's happening here. Traffic light there. That is a 30% move in 15 trading days or 15 calendar days. Next move. Let's go ahead and look. Now the move down. Right? 7% you would have made on the move up. Now, guys, this is assuming you're just playing shares. Right? 20% playing shares. Let's see. Let's do this one here on the 4 hour. AMC. Let's get in on this candle. Let's come all the way down to the level here. That's a 50% move. And it's doing this each and every month. Can you imagine what compounding 30% a month would be? And mind you guys, this is just shares. This is not options. I
Mm-hmm.
can't imagine what the options are looking like. But let's go ahead and go on over to our compounding calculator. Now, we don't have months, but let's just assume that per day is per month. And even if you were able to get 10% of that move on the swings with AMC, as AMC likes to do, and you go ahead and you have $10,000, 10% earned, right? It would take you 49 months, right? You would become a millionaire faster than it would take you to pay off a 5-year note on a car,
Mm-hmm.
right? At 10%. At 20%, it'll take you 26 months, right? So, how long have we been in this play? About 2 years? With $10,000, you could have already been a millionaire by playing the volatility, and that's assuming you're playing shares and going up and down with this on an average earnings of 20%,
Mm-hmm.
right? Again, options, now we're talking a whole different ball game. With options, you're probably looking at like what, 70% on the move minimum?
Probably more.
A lot more, but I like to keep things simple. Let's do minimum. You would have become a millionaire in 9 months. Just playing the
Jesus.
monthly swings and volatility with AMC. So you guys could go ahead and hate me and STV all you want. The fact of the matter is that these traffic lights are more powerful than the hopium that's been established by the cult of
Mm-hmm.
AMC. And the sooner you realize that, the faster you're going to go ahead and make money.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Uh, wow, Tuxedo Flux changed his shift just to trade 1348.
Damn.
Man, I wish you all the success, bro. Winning
Winning
loser.
losers up 8.1% on the account today again. That motherfucker.
Uh,
That's crazy.
okay. I can't. Let's see. Uh, let's see. Dum, 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 dum. I'll get it on over to STV.
What are you doing?
No, no, no. They want to know my gains. I'm going to show you my gains on Monday.
Oh yeah,
I'm going to show you my gains. I intended today, but I'm going to show you on Monday.
that'll be cool.
At this rate, STV's ankles are done in 3 weeks.
Yep, I think you might have them.
So let's see. Can you look at Johnny Sin straight? Come on, man. What are you doing here, bro? Um,
Let's see. Yeah, I gotta hop off in like 6 minutes.
6 minutes. All right. You guys go ahead and follow this man to his live stream. I'm going to go ahead and try to make some money. Right. I've been busy all morning, so I want to make some money so then I can get a screenshot over.
That'll be cool.
Yeah. With that being said, guys, make sure you get your lifetimes trade 1348. Reach out to Diana, right? Lifetimes will no longer be sometime next week. And we're not going to warn you either. It's just going to be gone,
Yep.
right? What did we have? We had like 20 seats left at our
Yeah, I think
event.
it's around there.
Yeah, it was about 20 seats left for the masterclass. So if you guys want to join in on a masterclass where the class is more concentrated and the learning is better,
Mm-hmm.
right? It pays for itself. Trust me, definitely it
Mm-hmm.
pays for itself. All right, signing out.
Peace.
Peace.